just want to quick update on you. Sorry for the shadowness and lighting. I made some homemade. I'm really a fan of the sweet potato pie and just a little bit of the pumpkin pie, you know, stuff like that. But y'all, it is so good, so good, so good. I homemade everything except for the crust, you know, but I do how to make pie crust, but I just decided to just do it and just try it the easy way right now, and just, yeah, because it got late when I came in. So, but yeah, but everything else is homemade. It's so good. Let me show you what it looks like. Hold on. This is it. This is when you know that your whipped cream is real, okay? Because I just took this out the oven and look at that. Wow, look at that. Sorry for my messy plate, but y'all, it's so good. Look at that. So the crust I got from the store, but everything else of the pie itself is homemade. So is the whipped cream. Y'all, it tastes so bomb diggity 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 good. It tastes so good. I am like show you all with that update, a real quick vlog on this part. So yeah, I wish I could give you guys a slice through the screen. It's like, here you go. But hey, but it tastes good. It has, like, enjoying this video. God bless.